Korean Saewoo Jang. Ingredients: 2 cups low-sodium soy sauce, 2 cups water, 1/4 cup fish sauce, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup mirin, 1 whole apple, quartered and seeded, discarding stem and seeds, 1/2 yellow onion, peeled, 1 lemon, cut in half, juice of 1/2, 2 serrano chiles, 2 dry red chilies, 7 cloves garlic, peeled, 1 4/2-inch knob fresh ginger, peeled and thinly sliced, 2 green onions, trimmed. For the prawns: 1 pound large fresh raw shell-on-spot prawns or wild shrimp, trimmed and rinsed, 1 yellow or white onion, halved and thinly sliced, 2 jalapeños, stems removed, thinly sliced. Directions: combine all marinade ingredients in a large pot and bring to a boil, let boil for 15 minutes. Strain liquid, discarding solids, into a bowl. Let marinade cool to room temperature, chill in refrigerator or use an ice bath until marinade is cool enough to add to the raw prawns. Trim prawns, using scissors. Place thinly sliced onion and jalapeno slices in a single layer in a large container with lid. Add prawns in a single layer over onion, pour chilled marinade over prawns. Cover and place in refrigerator for 24 hours. Remove container from refrigerator. Strain marinade through a fine mesh sieve and into a pot. Place prawns back in refrigerator. Heat marinade and let boil for 5 minutes. Chill completely and pour marinade over prawns, place container back in refrigerator. Repeat every 24 hours for 2 more days. Place prawns on a shallow serving platter and pour marinade over, top with onion and jalapeno slices. Serve with steamed rice, roasted seaweed, kim nori, soft-boiled eggs, and pea shoots, microgreens, or thinly sliced green onion.